And good morning, everyone. Welcome back to NeelyFX. My name is Michael Neely, and this is the channel where I talk about foreign exchange trading, prop firm trading, and in general, making money trading. So let's get into the risk disclaimer since we're talking about money and trading, and I'm in the United States, and I think I've got to do this by law, so I'm going to do it anyway. This channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute trading or financial advice. I'm a professional trader, not a broker, trading my own capital. I'm also involved with Audacity Capital, trading prop firm challenges, and the October monthly challenge. I do not solicit funds, manage client accounts, nor do I hold CFTC or NFA registration. Henry doesn't either, and the Forex trading parakeet, but I have held NFA registration in the past. Forex trading is highly speculative with a high risk of losing some or all of your investment capital. Only trade with funds you can comfortably afford to lose. CFTC risk disclosure goes like this. Forex trading carries a high degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before trading Forex, consider your investment objectives, experience, and risk appetite. You could sustain a loss of some or all of your investment capital. Let's see. So let's get into what is going on today. It is the first day of, you guessed it, the federal government shutdown. So we'll see how this is going to work out into the markets. As far as CME Fed Watch, we now have a 1% chance of a 50% basis cut at the end of October, the end of this month, but a pretty much guaranteed chance of a 25 basis point rate cut. So we're looking at a weaker dollar. Probably looking at the unwinding of the carry trade, as we saw yesterday. Now, the yen carry trade, here's an excellent article on this right here if you want to read about it, has to do with the difference of interest rates on the 10-year interest rates between the, that's the jump was forward, and between the, what's it called, the 10-year bond and the 10-year bond for Japan and the United States. So we'll see a little bit of weakness in that. We'll also have some weak news coming in today on the ADP non-farm exchange. So we're looking at losing 32,000 jobs, according to ADP, which is not necessarily a good thing. We don't need to lose jobs in the economy. We need to gain jobs in the economy. If we start losing jobs in the economy, then this is going to be a whole different ballgame very quickly. Let's see. So where are we on the markets today? Well, first let's see how we're doing on this my trading. As you see, I've got one trade in right now that's not faring well. It's down $5. It'll come back off that. But we're looking at so far I have a net profit of $260. The goal is $1,500. $1,500, $1,600. That gets me winning this strategy and gets me a funded account. We also have introduced you to this account over here. Well, it's over. If you'll notice, this is a demo account. This is not a demo account. This is a live account. This is for the $120,000. This is a $120,000 account that I have with again with Audacity Capital regarding the October challenge. So I have 30 days to trade this account, and if I get fabulous prizes if I do well. So that will be fun. So we'll see what happens from there. Let me see what happens now. So let's go to the trading account here, and this will probably come into profitability because we saw something yesterday. Well, I saw something yesterday. It's very interesting. First, go to here and this. Let's take a look at the DXY. DXY that's called sideways volatile if I've ever seen it. It's big candles and going sideways, and because no one knows what's going to happen with the DXY today, it's up, it's down, and it's all over the place. I see it coming down further. Again, trying to predict the future is not what I do. We'll wait and see what happens. We did have I did have a little bit of a jump on the dollar versus the yen, but there's a reason I did this trade that's bigger than just the headline report that came out. Here's the dollar, the euro versus the dollar. Again, this is not a trade I'm going to get into because it's been essentially flat for a day, not really going anywhere. Dollar versus the yen, again, these are 4-hour charts. Dollar versus the yen is not, it's going somewhere. It's going down. It's going down by a lot. This is a 4-hour chart. It's down 102 pips right now from yesterday's close at 5 o'clock, and that's because of the unwind between the yen. think we're going to see an accelerating carry trade fallout, dismantling of the carry trade, as the Japanese 10-year rate goes up. This one was up fantastically yesterday. Well, 2-year really showed it off yesterday, but today it's off. So it's coming back down today, probably because they rely on U.S. imports or on U.S. exports to import to the United States, and the United States economy is in question right now. So we'll see what happens with this. In the meantime, they got to fight for their own survival too. So I do see this carry trade starting to come apart a little bit more today. Maybe a slowdown in that, maybe early or late in that trade. My timing may be off on that trade, but we'll see what happens. Pound versus the dollar. It's starting to take off a little bit. How about that? So we'll see if it can get through this range right here before we commit to a trade. It'll be about 135.43 right before 50. I don't like doing that, but we'll see what happens. Here we have the pound versus the yen, and again, yesterday big fall off. It's clawed back a little bit this morning. Clawed back about 30 pips this morning. It was right down here when I first got on the screen. So it's come back already about 40 pips. So we may see that not so much with the Great British Pound, but more so with the dollar. UCAD. Let's just go on the UCAD. UCAD, nothing. That is dead even. That's right on the 20-period moving average. We're not committing to that at all. Dollar versus the Aussie. Aussie versus the dollar. The U.S. dollar. We have again. Everybody's kind of sitting back wondering what's going to happen with the quote-unquote shutdown. I think it's an actually healthy move for fiscally for the United States, but we will see. Gold is starting to come off the high made this morning of 38.89, and silver is holding at 47.36. That candle turns blue, which has an hour and 10 minutes to do. Then like that, then will be or blue. My bullish candles are blue for a reason. I have a green background, so the candles won't show up if I show a green background. They'll show as hollow candles, and that's not what I want to do. So they're blue for a reason. In the real world, if I weren't filming videos with a green background the whole time, I would be using a green, because green is nicer. Green is as in this one over here. Since I have green in, well, can't get a demo account on that, not the trading account. So as you can see on this one, I have a completely different configuration. And that's probably so I can see the blue and the blue and the green here. Is that the UJ? That is the UJ. So we are approaching this little spot right here, 77. Fractals at 77. So you got strong resistance at 77. It was blowing through it earlier, so we'll see if it continues to go through that earlier. After that, we're going to hit target prices really down here at 146.10, and then we'll see if it can test that today. 146.10, 146.19 in that area. So we've got a resistance range right here for 146.10, 146.20. Round up, call it 20. Why not? And we'll see if we can go through that. We've got 50 pips to go from there to there, so that would be great. That would be a nice little win. In the meantime, that is about all I've got for today. We'll get those trades set up in that platform too. Let's see, what else we got? Gold, silver doing well. With that, that's really all I got today. A little short video today. So if you guys like this video, then by all means, like and subscribe. If you have any comments or want to talk with me, then by all means, put some comments in. I'll reach out to you. And excuse me. Oops. Let's be quick. Thank you, Henry. Then that means that, and also subscribe to this channel if you like updates, and I'll get you updated every time we have a video come out. So you guys have a great one. I will talk with you later, and talk to you later. Bye.